There they go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging.
Oh yeah.
And y'all know the star of the show, my 2018 lifted Raptor, nicknamed Zeus. And I hope y'all caught my last video. It was pretty dang awesome. I did a bed panel install for an awesome company called Maxzina. This is their bed panel kit that works with the factory cleats right here, the tie down cleats. Well, I got to looking on their website and I was like, wait a minute. They offer the bed panel kit, but they also offer retractable tie downs. Is that not the coolest thing ever? Y'all know what time it is. It's install time. So I had fun making the bed panel install video. What? You mean y'all hadn't seen that video yet? Oh my goodness. You got to check it out, guys. Right here. And links in the description. This bed panel kit is made to work with the factory cleats. They provide all the hardware, tools, everything you need to just bolt it right on. No cutting, no drilling, nothing like that in your bed. And they are sturdy. Let me tell you, they really are sturdy. So it'll hold your jacks, your fire extinguishers, tools, anything you can throw at them. They help mount everything and keep it secured inside the bed. Now, it's like, well, if you've got that, why do you need this? Well, more is better, right? So not only can I have places to tie down over here, I'm going to take my factory cleats off, install these right over it, and this way have retractable straps. That way, you got a lawnmower you want to load up, or a barbecue grill, or helping a neighbor move some furniture, or in reality, their wife has just kicked them out of the house and you're helping them relocate all of their junk. And they provide the most thorough instructions. They tell you exactly what's in the kit. Look here, how to use video, installation video. You can contact them, how to put those on, what to remove, what to install. All right, so if you've already got these aftermarket panels on, you can loosen everything with the Allen wrench, or like I've got the screwdriver set up with the Allen bit on it. Makes things a little bit easier. Or if I'm really in a hurry, I can put it in a drill. And this only applies if you've put this bed panel on. You have to remove all four of these carefully. The little pegs in behind there that secure that to the truck through the cleat. Now, if you don't have the bed panels and you just have the factory Ford cleats, you'll need a Torx bit to remove those, T30. All right, so we can just remove that factory one out of there. All right, so this should go through this way. It's going through there, the peg in the back, just the way the old one came off. So like this, you can hook it on the side like that, keep it from rattling, or you can lock it in roll it all the way up like that. It won't rattle, but we can take it back down to the unlock position. Pull them all the way out. Secure what items you need to secure. Then retract them. So I'm just going to loosen these with the Allen wrench. I'm not going to use the drill or the extension, just to show you that, see how easy that is? Comes right off. And if those fall down in behind it, then we can get them out. It's no issue. See? There we go. This little Allen wrench, it works, and even the screwdriver, it works. But I found out these Cobalt tools right here, that's a 5/32 Allen wrench with an extension, so you can use it like this, or it's got the short end, so you could use it like this. So either way, this is an awesome tool. Yes, helps out a lot. I'll put links in the description below. So let me tell you guys, with the bed panel kit, you have so many mounting options or mounting points. With this thing, you can mount it anywhere you want to. Doesn't matter. I mean, the whole panel is a mounting grid. And then you add the retractable bed straps, and there's absolutely no load in the bed or items that you can't secure. There we go, guys. Retractable bed straps. Got the bed panels for mounting. Hey, we hooked up. Check out Maxzina. I'm telling you, they are awesome. And I've got links in the description below to pick yours up today. If you like the video, hit me with a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Hook your boy up, because you know I will hook you guys up with some killer installs and some killer products. So I'll catch y'all next time. Later now.